Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how I made a extension cable for my Yaesu FTM-100. They include an extension cable for the display, the control, but not one for the microphone, which doesn't make much sense because where people might locate the amp and the control unit in two different places, the microphone cable is definitely not long enough. So we have our standard 6-pin RJ12, for our microphone here. So I ordered up on Amazon this RJ12 connector jumper cable, a little bulkhead here so you can mount it to something. This is how it came, just like that. And obviously this here was on the end of it. This is only like a 6-inch jumper. So I cut this off because this wasn't going to work. So I pinned out what wire goes to what pin. So if we hold our connector, the tab's up top here, but if we turn it over, going from left to right, pin 1 through 6. So I picked this up off of Amazon for like $7. So the pin out to this, these are all solid colors. The pin out is pin 1 is white, 2 is purple, 3 is red, 4 is green, 5 is yellow, 6 is blue. And like I said, that is holding it, looking at it like this. Pin 1, pin 6. So what I did was I just took a piece of Cat 5 that I had laying around. I crimped on a RJ12, put a little shrink on it for a little strain relief, and this will get plugged into the unit itself. Then I'm going to mount this kind of near where my microphone might be mounted to, using the little microphone holder, the mic holder. So I can plug the microphone right into this and have this closer to me, so I have no strain on the cable itself or whatnot, because I took this 19-inch rack mount bracket here that I had, and I took a stepper bit and put this hole in here. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and kind of mount it like that. Then all we have to do is clip it in like such and mount this to something hard in the car, or put some double-sided tape on it. So now we'll be pulling on this, except instead of the cable coming out of the unit, right out of the unit. So, and I just took 6 wires out of the 8 out of the Cat 5 cable and wrote down what I had in pin 1 through 6 and matched them up to this, because we're making a straight cable. It's not a crossover or nothing like that. It's just a straight through cable. Then I just took my leftover piece that I had here, plugged into here. Then I just, before I crimped it on, I just went ahead and metered it out, make sure I didn't have no shorts or whatnot anywhere throughout. So everything was good. But I picked this up off of Amazon. Like I said, I'll throw a link in the description to it. I think this will work out very well. I'm going to throw some paint on this, but I think that'll work out nice, because I can move this to wherever I have it, because I have plenty of cable. I got like a 4-foot piece here, so it's more than enough for my installation in the car. But I think this bulkhead here will definitely do its job. And this is a 6-pin. The the display is a 4-pin, so don't get them confused. So for a couple bucks, I made myself an extension cable versus buying ones that may not work or paying 2, 3, 4 times the price. So with a little bit of solder and heat shrink and this jumper here that I got, and like I said, I had this bracket laying around, you know, we'll be set to have it done in the car. So hopefully this might help out, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.